Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
Which body recommends appointees to the judiciary? A. Supreme Court. B. Judicial and Bar Council. C. Commission on Appointments. D. Integrated Bar of the Philippines. The correct answer is letter B, Judicial and Bar Council. Which constitutional commission is tasked with enforcing election laws? A. Civil Service Commission. B. Commission on Audit. C. Commission on Elections. D. Commission on Human Rights. The correct answer is letter C, Commission on Elections. Which of the following rights cannot be suspended even during martial law? A. Right to travel. B. Freedom of expression. C. Privilege of the writ of habeas corpus in some cases. D. Right against torture. The correct answer is the letter D, right against torture. The power to grant pardon belongs to the A. Supreme Court, B. Senate, C. President, D. Secretary of Justice. The correct answer is letter C, President. Who acts as the presiding officer in an impeachment trial? A. Senate President. B. Chief Justice. C. Speaker of the House. D. President. The correct answer is letter B, Chief Justice.
Did you get them all right?